Hello everyone, Ordinary Z here, and in this episode of Quick, Simple and Easy Recipes, I'll be making a pork Janija. This recipe is pretty easy to make, but it takes a bit of time to prepare, so without further ado, let's get on to it. First things first, take 2 large size onions, or in my case, 4 medium size onions. And you wanna dice them really good. You don't want them to be finely diced, just enough so they can at least be somewhat visible, because they'll melt in the boiling process. Then you want to transfer them in a pan with some hot oil, and then you want to fry them for a little bit till they get a nice golden brown color. Then you want to take some pork meat and chop it into large chunks or large squares. Now you can use any type of meat. You can use pork chops or a pork thigh. Doesn't matter. You can use any type of pork meat you want, as long as it doesn't have a bone, that is. After that, you want to transfer them into the pan with the onion that's been fried up, and you want to stir it around. Then you want to add 2 or 3 teaspoons of flour, and you want to stir it up, because this is the process where you have to stir everything around really quick, or otherwise it will burn and it will be impossible to clean the pan. After that, add the peas, and you want to stir them around. Mix them with the meat and the onion. Then take 4 or 5 potatoes, and you want to chop them into squares. They must be really thick squares, otherwise they will not boil properly. They will melt essentially. After that, add some tomato sauce or tomato puree. Doesn't matter which one you go for, but if you want a recipe on how I make my own tomato puree, just let me know. Okay, you want to add the potatoes. Then you want to grind in some black pepper. Add 2 or 3 teaspoons of mixed vegetable seasoning, 2 or 3 teaspoons of salt. Add some chili, or you can use chili powder from instant ramen noodles. You can only use an actual one, but I don't have one at the moment. And 2 or 3 teaspoons of paprika red pepper, and you want to stir it around. Add some water in the pan. This will help for cleanup purposes, and then transfer it into a pot and leave it to boil for around an hour and a half and around medium to low heat. After that, serve it into a dish. Enjoy! And if you enjoyed this episode of Quick, Simple and Easy Recipes, you know what to do. Leave a comment, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe. It really helps my channel to grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.